All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today was a very weird day in the market. I did not like price action from the start. I didn't like the way market open was already at the high of a range. You guys know I'm really not a fan of that. However, we did take one winning trade and one losing trade, and we lost the accounts. We lost the Tradeify accounts that had $800 of drawdown left in them after last Friday. And I did just pick up some new evals. I didn't buy evals yet. I just picked up 5 Lucid Funding 150K flexes, and I just picked up 5 150K Tradeify 150 select. I was waiting to see if I would blow the accounts or not today, because that would actually tell me whether or not it's worth it to copy trade the select 150Ks with the ones I just got. So now I am copy trading evals, no funded accounts, 150K 5 select and 150K 5 what is your accounts called again? Lucid Flex. Yeah. So select and flex, they have the same rules, 5 winning days, and you take out 50%. Right? So I'm gonna go over the trades I took. So coming to market open, I didn't like this at all. Like we've been in a range this entire time, right? We've been in a range. Not a big fan. Either way, I'm bullish. I told the Discord, yo, I'm bullish today, right? 15-minute gap with London highs above. What do? I actually took a scalp. First trade I took was right here. For about a 1-to-1. Like that. I got a better entry because my stuff is here. Like that. This is the first trade I took. Pre-market to London highs. I like this one a lot. Or not a lot, but I took this and I made like 250 per account. And then second trade I took, which is what actually blew my accounts, which I think was bullshit, was I was going for a very small scalp. Very, very small scalp. And this is a very discretional setup. I don't like it at all. Like I would never take this, but it was very discretional. I thought the move was a lock. Right? If you look at, oh fuck, my God. If you look at ES right here, we have new week opening gap. Right over here. New week opening gap is drawn from the close. A lot of people don't know that. It is fully drawn from the close. And the close is there. Right? So you see here, I see, all right, we're very close to new week opening gap on ES. And on NQ, we are very close to taking out this hourly high up here. Sorry, where was it? Or this 15-minute high right here. So I actually entered in long on this candle closure, just targeting, I think it was this high or this high, one of these two highs. I think it was, let me double check. Because price was here. Yeah, okay, I was targeting this high. I was targeting the high of the range, right? Once again, this is a very discretional trade, but I did like the way that ES was close to NWOG. Targeting this high, I was going to make 500 on this trade. Would have made 750 on the day. And as you can see, this opened fucking 40 points lower. Instantly, like literally instantly blew my accounts. Like I couldn't even adjust my risk because my actual stop loss was going to be here. But I'm going to turn one-click trading off, bro. My actual stop loss is going to be here. I didn't set a stop loss because I've been manually exiting. Immediately, stop that account's blown, which should not have happened. I should have set a stop loss. I'm not too mad about it because the accounts were down at the end of the day, so I really don't care too much. I didn't like those accounts a lot anyways. Obviously, that is cope, but I did not. I don't like trading funded accounts once they're in drawdown. They're kind of annoying to trade. So at least we did end up getting rid of those. And now we will be trading a... Let me see if they're ready. I just bought them. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. I don't know why it only shows 3. But yeah, I'm going to have 4 Lucid Flex 150Ks because I already have one passed. And then I'm going to have 5 select accounts with Tradeify. I'm pretty hyped for that. And I'll update you guys on how it goes. Overall, the market today was kind of shitty, like in my opinion. In my opinion, that could be biased because I took a W and an L, and the L obviously killed my accounts. But I don't like this at all. This isn't the way I trade. I trade internally based, right? Meaning I'll take a long from here to this high, for example, right? I don't like the way price is moving here at all. Not a big fan of it. It moved decent in the sense that it moved towards a draw on liquidity, but no entries, nothing. Very, very sloppy price action in my opinion. And if you guys have any questions about any of that, I'll link the free Discord in the bio. You guys can ask any questions in the comments, and I will be here to answer. In the meantime, hope you guys have a blessed day and trade safe. I'll see you boys tomorrow, and peace out.